Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, the Huzzy Chewy, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're just gonna cover a couple of different things, but before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe and then like the live as well. Um, Give me 1 second, and let me do this. All right, there we go. Got to support your own videos. Actually, let me like it on here. All right, there we go. And then make sure you like, subscribe, and then also check out Webull. They give you four free stocks, and then Robinhood they give you one free stock. And then if you want to use them on finance, they do give you $10, but that's the last one that I would sign up to, honestly. Also, you can follow me on all of my social medias. If there's one of them that I recommend, it's probably Instagram would be the one that um, you guys would probably get the most benefit from, apart from the YouTube, obviously. And then also check out the Patreon as well. Um, So with this, you get my Amazon FBA course, and then two, you get all of the calls that I like put out for the Discord group. Um, and then also whatever questions you have, you can always ask me on there because I usually don't answer any of my like DMs through like anything else. The only time that I do answer is through the Discord. So this is the best place to reach me, honestly. But just can exit those. But yeah, just remember to check out those. Um, that's a different guy. All right, and then year to date we are up 19.1k or 13.6%. But obviously this isn't today because the market is closed. But the account size is at 159k, and then for that day we were actually up like 2.2k. Then after hours we were down 160, $116. I mean, for the 1 week we are up 4.4k or basically 3% for the week. For the 1 month we are up 13.8k or 9.5%. And then for the 3 months, we're up basically 19k or 13.5%. Year to date, we are up 19k, 19.1k, and then 13.6%. And then for the 1 year, we are up 17.2k or 12.1% ish. And then here's the buying power as of right now. I do have some margin on here as of right now, so I do need to like cut out some of these positions that I have as of right now. But so far, everything in the portfolio is going good. The only thing is I do have to um, roll these ones probably, and then how is Target doing? So Target, let me check at last price. Oh, so this one's actually in the money, huh? Yeah, so this Target one is in the money as of right now. Then I am selling some puts on Mara and then Coinbase, and then same thing on Palantir. But let's see what kind of questions you guys have um, from TikTok. What's up, dude? What do you recommend? Buying shares or buying calls or puts with $160? It really depends, dude. Cause like honestly, that's not a lot of money. But personally, I wouldn't like gamble it away, if that makes sense. So personally, I would just like just buying. I would just buy shares of companies if that was me. Like from what I know now, came from TikTok. How much money would you recommend starting out? Personally, dude, I would say try to save up as much money as you can, and then like just start off with what you have, but just make sure you can cover your bills, your expenses, and everything that you have like going outside of like in your everyday to day life. Um, but if you wanted to start, I would say at least $2,000. Greetings from Switzerland, Ecuador. What's up, dude? R. Joey, how much does your Patreon cost? It's $29.99 per month, but I do have like a 7-day free trial going on with it. So if you do want to join that, you do get like the 7 days for free. Because obviously if you don't like it, you can always just like get out of it. Because I wanted people to like have the option to like either stay inside it if they want to, or if they want to like keep going with it, then they can go with it. Because there's some times where I do join groups and I'm like, what the frig is this? I don't like it, but they already like build me, so I have to like stay with it for a little bit. What main stocks do you trade? Honestly, I've been I've been doing a lot of like either Coinbase or Mara. Coinbase, if you have like around like 7K to like do that with, and then for Mara, you only need $1,300 with. Those are like the two main stocks. I've been getting a whole bunch of premium. Like, let me show you wheel money. This is all of the money that I made wheeling this past month. So I made 3.7K just wheeling these stocks right here, which is honestly absolutely amazing. Like $3,700 is it's kind of crazy to be honest. Are you going to make a video about lying while you know everything it is? Are you going to make a video about outlining what you know everything? Is it in your Patreon? Personally, dude, I can show you like where you can get the information, but I don't have like where you can like learn everything. But if you want to, like, you can just send me a message on Instagram, and then I can like show you which people like I learned everything from, and then you can just like get everything like all of the callouts from me because I do have like a coach, right? But his coaching is very expensive, so he costs like so I paid 3,000, I think it was $800 for his coaching, which is kind of a lot, but to be honest with you, I know I had to be successful, and the only way that I've actually been successful is um, whenever I've gotten a coach, because that's how I was successful with Amazon FBA. That's how I was successful with like doing social media, and then this is how I'm successful with doing options and everything that I'm doing in the stock market. Sorry, I meant what you know to learn. Yeah, like I said, just message me on Instagram, dude. So then that way I can point you to the right direction, and then when you're ready to like for the call outs and everything that I know, you can always just go to that. What gives you information to enter a credit spread? So for most of them, dude, like I said before, I've been just doing a lot of just spy and QQQ. Um, so like for this one I would probably go. Let's see, I would probably go 10 days out for this one. Um, go down, hide. Where's all right? Here we go. So the reason why I chose this one, let me go back to this one, is because with this one I had an 86% chance of me um like winning this trade right here. So that's why I would choose this one because the the delta is really good at 0.15 and the chance of profits is 86%. So personally, that's what I look for is at least an 85 or above percent chance of me winning that trade. And then also I like to make at least $7 per trade that I do. So if I were to hit continue and I would do, let's say I would do 10 contracts, obviously I wouldn't get that. So I would probably get like 10.8. I would be getting $80 for this contract if if um SPY does stay above 435. I would be getting these $80. But with this one, you have to put up $1,000 in collateral, and then your it says your max loss is $920. But you can close these out like at any time that you want for either a profit or a loss. It really depends on like what the market does. But for me, once so like let's say on my thing it says I lost $160, that's when I would close this out because I try to keep it to at least like two times of what I got in um credit just so I'm not losing like a ton of money at the end of it. Which coaching? His name is Invest with Henry. That's who my coach is. What do you have a stop loss for the 86% win? Yeah, dude, I would say like when I guess roughly two times this amount. So I got an $80 credit, so $160 when I would like I don't even know where that I don't have any losing positions right now. Except for these ones, but those aren't credit spreads. But like I said before, once I start losing $160, that's when I would like cut it out, dude. Double of like what I paid in credit, if that makes sense. Have you ever day traded? I've been doing like zero DTE trades, so that's just when you let's say you do SPY, and then this would be like a zero dates till expiration. So you would pick this strike price and this strike price, and then but obviously you wouldn't be getting that. You would probably be getting five. $50. But if you do 10 contracts, that's $50. Um, but yeah, I don't usually day trade. Like I did one, I think it was either yesterday or on Friday. I don't remember when, but I did like a zero DT one, and I got, I think, like $900 because I did it at 0.09, which is $9 because you have to times it by 100. Um, but it can be very profitable. But if the market does turn against you, it can be super unprofitable as well. And really quick, let me just read some of these TikTok ones. Where do babies come from? Market is closed today. What are you doing? Stop lying. Zero DT spreads. Yeah, I do some of them sometimes. And you're right, guys. The market isn't closed today. I mean, isn't open today. That's what it says right here. Closed for Independence Day. Lucky at me when I'm talking to you. I'm back, guys. DT days till expiration. Yeah. You made 2K today. I'm just glad I took a nice for real, dude. Hey, sometimes you gotta enjoy the little things in life. Man under a penny booth. Just tell us right here how to do money. But you trading around with it, this is so cap. Good day. Don't try to fall for these kids. I don't get why you guys hate so much on Robinhood. Personally, I love Robinhood, guys. What did you buy? Personally, I'm not buying anything right now. I'm only doing like put credit spreads, mainly as of right now. Bro, probably gonna say go to his Discord. Do you share alerts? Yeah, I do. Um, Margin trading and options trading. How can you make this money fast on stocks? To be honest, dude, you need to have like a bigger account. So since I do have a bigger account, that's how I can make way more money. But I can also lose way more money too. But like I said before, I am waiting for the day when my stocks do start to go negative. How can you make? All right. What about Mara stocks? Yeah, dude. I only have I've only been selling puts on Mara stock as of right now. Yeah, a lot of people don't know what they're talking about, to be honest. Yeah, dude. How can you make that much money fast? Is Bitcoin going to ever go higher? I hope so, dude. That's why I'm invested into it. How can you make sue this dude? These influencers who push stocks are clowns. Hmm. How can you make this money? Uh, Market closed, but he changed title. I can't change the title now, dude. It's too late. Um, oops. Oh, actually, do you close credit spreads when you're up a certain amount, or usually I like to hold them until expiration, dude. But like if I'm kind of iffy about it, I will close them because I have been burned in the past, like I said before. So personally, I close them now if I'm unsure of it. But if it's like super, like if I've already made like 90%, then I'll just keep it, dude. Um, but that's just me. Like you always have to like do what's right for you. I didn't even change the. I need to change this title as well. My bad. This is supposed to be July 4th, not July 3rd. But that's all right. Uh, 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 Options trading. Like personally, I try to be um like I try to have like as much like risk to reward as I can. I like to have like more risk as little, or no, the opposite. I like to have. Oh, oops. I guess somebody just messaged me. I like to have as much reward as I can and as little like risk as possible. Is what I meant to say. Are you also trading? No, dude. I've just been doing credit spreads and just basically holding long term and doing selling calls and puts. How can you? This guy keeps asking the same questions. How can I receive your alerts? If you come unknown, shoot. If you come over to YouTube, and then just click on it's called Affordable Hustle, but it's the Patreon link, dude. How can I receive your alerts? Anyone can post fake stock screenshots. I mean, like if you want, you can go back to my old videos and you can see, like, how I went from like 140K to now to 159K. True, maybe crypto. And like I said before, guys, that's my bad. I didn't change the title, but it wasn't today that I made 2K. It was yesterday. What about realty income? And then just in case you guys do not believe me, I think this is it. That's not it either. Did I not take a screenshot? Probably not. Unless it's this one. You guys want some whey protein? No, I'm just kidding. All right. Obviously I don't see the screenshot, but what about realty income? I have been looking at realty income, dude. Can I start investing with tamales or no? Uh, sure, dude. I guess. For real market is closed today. You're right. Any crypto investments? My two main investments in crypto are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the only two things that I really hold for the long term. But I also have Cardano, or also known as ADA, and then Polygon. But the last two are just from like when I invested in crypto a while ago. I just buy and leave my stocks. Is that a good thing? Yeah, dude. If that works, if that's what works for you, then yeah. 30 to 40% profit, close them out. That is my rule of thumb. That's a good rule of thumb, dude. PayPal going to hit 45. I don't think so, dude. I think they're gonna keep going higher. You made 2K while the market is closed. Nah, dude, that was from yesterday. Like I said, I just pay. What do you think about Tesla for tomorrow? 300. Um, Maybe, dude. Who knows what Tesla will do? It can go down for 5% for all I know. What do you think about Lucid? I don't invest into them, dude. To be honest, what's your Discord? In order for you to get into the Discord, you have to like pay for it, guys. Uh, is this your job? Yeah, this is all I've been doing, to be honest with you. Do you save your money? Yes, I do. Try to save and invest as much as I can, dude. What's your idea for SPY for Wednesday? Dude, I have no idea. I just do what the market is like doing. And then, guys, like I said before, coming over to YouTube, I'm live right now. You guys can see exactly what I have inside my portfolio. What exactly I'm thinking about doing tomorrow. But I am gonna go off of TikTok so I can focus more on the YouTube. But like I said before, come on over to YouTube right now. I'm live right now, and then also follow me on Instagram, and then also follow me on here if you're not already. And then if you have any more questions, comment them in whatever video. It doesn't really matter, and I'll try to answer them. But like I said before, I'll give you guys a second to follow me either on here or on Instagram, or come to the YouTube channel and come and subscribe. Um, but All right, I'll give you guys a couple of seconds. Happy 4th of July as well. How old are you? I'm 25, dude. But like I said before, I am gonna go off right now. Ricky Gutierrez is good though. To be honest with you, I haven't really been looking into him, but I've heard that he does do extremely well with trading. Um, is he got that money? He should get them teeth fixed, but he hasn't. So to be honest with you, dude, I have been thinking about getting my teeth fixed, but I'm like, is it really worth it right now when I don't even have like $1 million now worth yet? I said, nah. I said I have to get to my $1 million first, and then I can get the my teeth fixed. Is your YouTube the same as this? Yeah, dude, it's the same thing as this, guys. It's Adi Hosechui. If you come over to YouTube, it's Adi Hosechui. When did you start? Dude, I started a long time ago, but personally, like, um, and what's it called? Selling calls and puts and then doing credit spreads. I've been only doing this for about a month and a half, basically. We'll just call it 2 months to make it easier. But it's been about 2 months since I started doing this. Stock market is closed today. How are you even trading? Like I said before, this is just from the title from yesterday's video, dude. Uh, 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 do you buy shares? Yeah, dude, I do. I invest long term, and then I also do like short term as well. Yo, what's up? And then guys, like I said, follow me on here. And then follow me on Instagram as well. Um, and then come on over to YouTube. Like I said, I'll give you guys a second to do that because I have been saying that for a while now. Can we see your options and shares? Is this making you more money than Amazon? Yeah, Rocky, I stopped doing Amazon FBA. It wasn't working for me. So I stopped doing Amazon FBA. But all right, guys. I'll see you guys later. I'll give you guys a second to um, follow me on here. And like I said, if you guys have any more questions, DM me on here or on Instagram. Basically, I would say message me on Instagram because that's an easier way for you to reach me. Because on TikTok they don't really like let me see you guys' anything that you guys ask. Basically, like some questions or messages do go through, but not all of them do. But all right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Is this your full time? Yeah, dude. Come on over to YouTube, guys. Can we see your all time? Yeah, come on over to YouTube. My bad. I'm gonna get off of here. Um, Scammer. Nah, dude. I can't scam someone if they don't give me money, and I'm not asking for any money. But alright, guys, peace out. Like I said, follow me on Instagram as well. Spy going up. I hope so. Alright, guys, peace out. Thank you. And I'll give you guys 1 second. Happy 4th of July as well. Alright, thank you guys. Peace. And follow me. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Let me see how my analytics went on the TikToker. But alright, guys, let me know what kind of questions you guys have, or if there's anything you guys want me to clear up. And then hopefully this, I know for sure this next month we probably will not make 3.7K just selling calls and puts. But hopefully we do, but more than likely we probably won't. It would probably be closer to like 2K for that one. But here's how much, obviously this isn't today because the market is closed, but this is how much we did yesterday, and then after hours we were down $116. For the 1 week we're up 4.4K or 2.87%. For the past month we're up 13.8K or 9.5%. For the 3 months we're up 18.9K or 13.5%. And then year to date I'm up 19.1K and or 13.6%. And then for the year to date I'm up 17.2 K and 12% for the 1 year basically. And then here's everything that I'm holding right now. First, I'll show you guys the stocks that I'm holding. So first up, I have Palantir. Next up is PayPal, and then I have Target, and then last but not least, I have Enphase. And then these ones, I think these are all gonna keep going up in value, like at least 15%, which is more than the market will do. Personally, I think the one that's gonna do the best is Palantir, just because they have like so much like upside. Click on all. All right, dude, I got you. Here's how everything has been going. Like I said before, this is just when I was doing dividend stocks, and this is obviously when the market crashed. And then, but ever since I've been selling calls, puts, and doing credit spreads, everything has been doing absolutely amazing for me, to be honest with you. So I'm thankful that I actually learned about selling options and doing credit spreads, just because I think it's actually a lot less risky doing this than just holding the shares outright. But that's just personally me. Don't take that as actual advice. But obviously, I have these four, and then I am selling calls on all of those. So here's Enphase. I'm actually down quite a bit on this one, but I'm probably going to roll this position. I can roll it out to $170 for this upcoming week, and I'll be getting $90 in credit. So that's pretty good, I would say. So there's that one. I have this Palantir covered call. This one, I didn't get as much money for this one, $176 for this one, but I'm up on that one so far. This PayPal one, I think PayPal, it's almost close to going into the money. So this one I'll probably have to roll this one out as well. Let me see. I can do this one, and then I'd be getting $17 in credit. This is actually really good as well. And then Target. This is the one that I actually get a lot of money from as well. Go down, and then 134. So it would be. I could do 136, or I can do 135, but I would be getting $150 in total credit. So that's just extra money that I would get for this. And then I am selling some puts as well, some on Palantir, Let's see what else. Some on Coinbase, and then some on Mara as well. This one I have 10 contracts. Oops, that is not what I meant to do. So Mara, I have 10 contracts, and then if I need to, I can always roll this one as well. But this one's actually pretty far out because I think this one is, I think it's like 10 days until this one expires. So I'm actually gonna be making very good money with Mara. But there's that one. Let's see, where's Coinbase? Coinbase. Here it is. And then Coinbase has been going up a ton. They're $80 now. Absolutely crazy. I would have made a lot more money. What's it called? I would have been making a lot more money if I just held the shares, but hey, you can't win everything. Can you lose a lot of money selling calls? No, dude. Like you can keep rolling them onto the next strike price as long as you're getting a net credit for it. Teach me, sure, dude. What do you want to know, Rodrigo or Rigo? So and then I also my buying power. I did use some margin as of right now, but that's because I did buy a bunch of these stocks. I think it was either on Thursday or Wednesday of last week. Um, but yeah, guys, let me know what kind of questions you guys have, or if you guys don't have any more questions, then I'll probably hop off this live as well. And then I have been looking. Like I said before, I have been looking for other stocks, but I haven't found anything that like really sparks my eye or anything that I really think is gonna go up like a ton. Actually, I have been looking at Nike. Um, like if I come to Qualcomm, and then like the good thing about Nike is they give you a dividend as well, and I can sell calls on it. Um, this one would probably be better. But if I sold calls on it, I can get like $62 or like $43, depending on which strike price I want to choose. Um, but personally, I've been looking at Nike, and then also they've been doing extremely well, and then everything like that is inside their metrics is going inside the right direction. Like their shares outstanding are going down, so that means they're buying more of their shares. This past quarter, it didn't go like down at all, but they have a dividend obviously. Um, EPS is not bad. Their net income is going down though, which is something I don't like. But their free cash flow is going up. Revenues are like basically the same, and but their stock price isn't that bad to be honest. But let me check in 5 years. It hasn't gone up that much, but as long as I can sell calls and puts on it, then it should be all right. You should do like a starter course for people to start with, just for a little bit of cash, and teach them how to trade. Yeah, for sure, dude. I'll keep that in mind. Or not telling you what to do, just a thought. Okay, I got you, dude. For sure, I can do something like that. If you guys really want that, just let me know, and I can definitely do that for you guys. But annually, they seem to go up quarter after quarter, so or year after year. I mean, the only year is 2020, obviously, and then 2021 there was um, an anomaly, I would say probably. And then their shares outstanding are always going down, or try to keep going down. So that just means you're owning more and more of the shares. So personally, Nike looks very attractive to me, but let me check their Nike dividend history just to see how much their like dividends go up, and then I want to check to see how. Let me see if Nike has ever had a stock split. 2015 was that when? Yeah, okay, because I saw this like where their dividend went from 16 or from 32 to 16. So I was like, that seems a little fishy. But their shares like got split, so that's all right. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking about buying Nike, especially if we have a red day tomorrow. Then for sure I'm buying Nike. Definitely gonna buy this one. But guys, let me know. Do you guys have any more questions or anything else you guys want me to answer? Today has been a shorter live stream, but that's all right, to be honest, because it is 4th of July. Um, but yeah, I'll probably buy Nike, guys. It's probably gonna be my next move. Just have to do a little bit more research on it just to make sure that I'm like making a good move. Because their highs were over here at 127, and now they're at 109. But yeah, guys, it doesn't look like you guys have any more questions, but this is how the portfolio is today. Hopefully tomorrow we're green again. And if we're not, I'll probably have to close out some of these positions just so I can stay afloat. But all right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys have any more comments or any questions or anything, comment them either on here or you can message me on Instagram if that's more like specific towards you. But all right, guys, I'll see you guys later. Happy 4th of July. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. And thank you guys. Yeah, do a starter course. All right, dude, I will for sure. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. And see you guys later. Happy 4th of July. Thank you guys.